after 5 months post your hair transplant procedure, how are you feeling about this whole journey as a doctor and as a patient?
This is totally unscripted, so I have no idea what I'm going to say. But today's 5 months, and I just remember when I made a decision to undergo a hair transplant, I obviously was very excited. I'm a surgeon, I have surgical operating room, I have capabilities, my staff is trained, I underwent training, but there was a little bit of that apprehension still at the back of my mind, thinking, what if it doesn't work? So I took a deep breath and I trusted the process, and I'm actually very glad I did it. On the day that I had somebody shave my head, which was unimaginable, unthinkable for me, I said to myself more than once, oh, S-H-I-T, what have I done? And then I just kind of went along with it. I trusted not only my staff, but also I trusted the advice that I told my staff that I would be needing. I had no pain. The procedure was pretty much uneventful. Everything that I imagined that should have happened exactly happened as it planned. And then I use that knowledge really to transpose what I instruct my patients as they go through the same process. And I really think that as a physician who does hair transplant, it has helped me out not only be more empathetic, but also to understand the issues that people have literally from the moment they get up from the operating room table, when they go home, when they sleep, when they take the first shower. Everybody has identical questions, and I actually had those same questions myself. So I'm actually glad that I used myself as a test patient, as a guinea pig, and we've had wonderful results with all of our patients, including myself.
Awesome. Did you have any concerns throughout your journey from like day when you finished the procedure, when you were experiencing hair shock, or any other concerns throughout your 5-month journey?
So anybody that has researched this topic about hair transplant naturally comes across and has heard this term hair shock. Basically what it means is you get a hair transplant, you pay somebody big bucks, you undergo all the uncomfortableness from the procedure, and then your hair falls out. Well, yes, that was really my biggest concern. Will my hair fall out, and then if it falls out, will it grow back?
And the last question, what's number one or like top 3 like advices that you would give to anyone undergoing that procedure?
Don't just blindly accept a procedure without speaking to at least 1 to 2 physicians. You should feel comfortable with whom you're interacting, but more importantly, you should go for the best advice. I would venture to say that most physicians have good intentions, and most physicians, especially in the United States, are very careful about choosing their patients correctly. So my best advice is trust the process, listen to your physician's advice, and find a place where you can find a comfort within knowing that in case something goes wrong, you can always reach to that person and have a good conversation with them. And then of course, have them troubleshoot through what are the issues related to the question that you have.
Awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you. 5 months.